Welcome. If you're looking to control who can send you message requests on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest update on how to allow message requests from verified users only using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to X by typing in the official website address. Once you're logged into your account, look to the left side of your screen for the navigation menu. Click on the More icon. It usually appears as 3 dots in a circle. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can customize your account to fit your preferences. Next, find and click on Privacy and Safety. This area is dedicated to all things related to your account's security and how you interact with others on the platform. Within Privacy and Safety, locate and click on Direct Messages. Here, you'll see the options that control who can send you message requests. Now, you'll notice a setting labeled Allow Message Requests from Verified Users. Verified users are those with a blue checkmark, typically public figures, brands, or anyone who has subscribed to X Premium. Select this option to ensure that only verified users can send you message requests. This helps reduce spam and keeps your inbox more secure, as only trusted accounts will be able to reach out to you directly. Once you've chosen this setting, your changes are saved automatically. From now on, any message requests from verified users will appear in your Requests tab, where you can review and decide whether to accept or delete them. That's it. You've successfully updated your settings to allow message requests from verified users on X using your PC. This feature gives you more control over your inbox and helps you connect with verified accounts while minimizing unwanted messages. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a safer messaging experience on X.